So this is the let me see. Yeah. So the ideal scenario for this web-based tool is to develop something that allows the user to input the data through an entry, and we already designed all the different features for the tool. On the UI part, like the uh, we can on the interface we can like work on that. It's not a big deal, but on the workflow,
Mm-hmm.
we have all the workflow and everything because we have
Mm-hmm.
already done that in Office version, not the web-based
Okay.
version. On the technical side, which soft or which language, which approach we need to take, I think this is something probably Aming has more to say.
Mm-hmm.
But we need something with that capability of like if you want to like add
Mm-hmm.
more, plotting features or modeling features, we like to have those included as well. On
Mm-hmm.
the back end, we we have the engine and everything like written in MATLAB originally, the codes, and
Mm-hmm.
we converted all those to C sharp
Okay.
for that web-based tool for the Office tool.
Mm-hmm.
But again, this needs to be taken care of um, when it comes to like a full stack uh, type of work for this project. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that React is one of the things that we can use if I'm
Correct. Yeah, correct.
correct.
React
Yeah.
is one of the most best version which I will recommend as well for you as well for the 3D modeling and stuff which we are talking about right now.
Yeah, and at this point, I think that the best way to tackle this problem is probably letting the user to log in and then perform analysis, and they can probably have all the
Mm-hmm.
library of works stored somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be a cloud-based tool, so all the analysis should be done on cloud
Mm-hmm.
because it's not only a demonstrating tool, but also
Mm-hmm.
we need some like uh, I don't know if they call it memory or whatever to do the processor part, the processing
The
part.
hosting for the okay, I
Yeah,
understand for the web base.
yeah. And then yeah, eventually each user can create their own version of the like the software, and
Mm-hmm.
eventually what we can do is use hopefully AI to let them to optimize their design and use
Mm-hmm.
all the collection of the works somewhere
Mm-hmm.
to optimize the design eventually. It's going to be
Okay.
optimization tool as well. This is the ultimate goal, not analysis
Okay.
and design tool, but also optimization tool.
You
And
want AI to be integrated as well, basically.
eventually, yeah, this is
Yeah.
something that Amin can handle. He is
Mm-hmm.
like our expert in the AI field, and this is what he is.
Okay, great.
And all the thing that we've been working on, and Amin and I has a history of work on different fields, including automatic report generation tool that can be also integrated in this tool.
Okay.
But this is something. The reason that I also invited Amin to join us is to see if on the technical side, because on the application side, I have my own like thoughts and descriptions, but I think that Amin might be the right person to explain what is the best
Mm-hmm.
approach to follow. Um, because I don't like
Mm-hmm.
those back and forth things, like sometimes we use some
Mm-hmm.
like language or technology or approach, but it
Mm-hmm.
has some limits, right?
Yeah,
So
correct.
so the ultimate goal is something use something that can be adaptable.
Correct. Yeah. Basically, we also have a way of working as well, a work ethic, and for projects such as this kind of scope, basically we have given like 12 like episodes, you can say, or 12 revisions, basically 12 milestones, in which we will be telling you each and every step what we're going to do and whatnot. Okay. In each and every milestones, once we complete that, we will provide a proper screening of it and what we have done and what we are going to do further, so on, about the project, and all those details basically. So you won't be spending much of a time going back and forth, as you were saying that you do not need some certain things like that, right? So that will basically help you out to remove all those kind of hassles, and it will be smooth sailing for you. Basically, it won't be an issue with our end.
Yeah, and based on my description of the work
Mhm,
scope, have you
mhm.
been involved or done similar things like the web-based tools
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah. We previously had a client from US, basically, which were trying to make a whole project of a whole society, basically, in which they were trying to add 3D models regarding what they're gonna make in that society, basically the schooling system, how the roadmap will be for the whole society and whatsoever, whatnot. So such as kind of software basically were provided for their company, in which many people were able to provide their examples as well, like the ideas what they want to provide as such in that particular project, and they were able to basically upload their designs and show it to the company which were trying to pinch in all those kind of houses into that society, basically. So it was a little bit hard end kind of thing which they were trying to do, and still in the progress of helping them out as well still. And there was one of another company, basically we helped a company called Maserati, basically, yeah, in which we helped them for the 3D modeling for their latest cars as well, and such as those kind of projects we have done. So this is not something out of our scope as well, and this is something basically we are able to achieve with no issues at all. We have a whole team and a very dependable team to help us out with that, and yeah.
so we work with because on the I think the front end part you have someone on the like back
Mhm.
end part you have different people because eventually they have to work together or we have to like
Mhm.
communicate with them. So
Like,
it's gonna
yeah,
be a
yeah,
group of
that's not an issue.
team.
That's We have done that previously as well. That's not an issue. Such as that with the Maserati project as well, we were helping out their own team as well, and we had help from our own whole in-house team, which were helping throughout the project as well. So it's something which we have done business to business relationship previously as well. So that's not a concern for us as well.
And I mean, do you have any question or any?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yes.
basically, are you open to any kind of other platforms as well, or you're certain you want to go with React? If you are able to once we get the whole PDF or whole a form which we might have already filled out, and which what you're wanting in the
Mhm.
criteria or not, basically once we review that, then I will be able to give you an answer as well, Mehdi, and then I will be able to give you a full scope and what will be the milestones and whatsoever whatnot, in which there will be everything written. And once we agree on all the agreements and terms and conditions, then we will go ahead and forward with everything. Basically, Martin told me that this will be a greeting call, basically. So just to introduce myself as well to you, and as a company representative for Dribble Designs. And once we see the project overview, I'll give you a proper answer and a proper quotation as well regarding the project, and
Mhm.
we will see from over there.
So I have a few questions.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
First, what are the technology stack that you currently develop your products based on?
React, Laravel. Basically, we have also done on PHP as well,
Mm-hmm.
and so depends on basically any of the development. But we will, this idea basically once we get the overview. It's
Mm-hmm.
not simply me who's going to take the decision. Basically, we will have a whole meeting as well regarding each and every project. We do have
Mm-hmm.
it every day on an early basis. Once we get in the office, that's the very first thing our company does, is we have to see each and everything in a meeting, an hour meeting. We do it, then we go ahead and do our works. So everything is done accordingly to that. And we will discuss between everything with the team, for the team lead, for the development side as well, for design side as well, UI, UX, everything. And then after that, I will give you a proper estimation as well, like
Okay.
what
And
we're going to use and whatnot.
excuse me, what's the name of your company? Or
It's Dribble Designs. It's also listed under my name as well on Zoom.
can you put the link of your company in the chat?
Sure.
And for
Great.
some unknown reason, when I was trying to send it to sam.allen@rebeldesign.com, I got this message. I kept receiving this message from Google. I think what is
That's my
that?
company. See.
I think the Martin sent me wait a second, somewhere here. I should be able to find it somewhere here.
So you mainly work on design side, or do you
Yeah,
have?
here, this one. Sorry, I mean, so this is what I've been. So I think that this doesn't exist, right?
Let me see. No, that's the wrong email. Basically, it's Dribble Designs. You have just written Dribbles. That's the reason why you have written the wrong email. The
Okay,
email is
so
incorrect.
they kept receiving this one.
Yeah, that's why. The email was
Okay,
incorrect.
so I have to go with Dribble Design. And you let me send it test. So
Yeah, you
it's
can go ahead.
sam.allen
Alan
at
at dribbledesigns.com.
tripledesign.com, right?
Correct.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if you receive this.
Amin, to your question, Sam is VP operations, so he has a team of people. I think, and even to the extent that he can probably recruit and bring on people if per the software
Yeah,
that you
got it.
need. Yeah.
Okay, great.
I'll just send it back to you.
Okay. Yeah, this is my email address then. Okay.
I just send it back to you.
Oh.
I was saying to Mehdi, it'd be nice if we could do it on the CH Shotcrete site. Because, Mehdi and I may do some joint ventures. And we could almost name the CH Shotcrete site CH Shotcrete GS Primo. We could almost
Okay.
line those two so that the software. Again, we talked about commercializing this at some point, Sam, so that if there was a Square D account, and we came up with some formula, whatever your thoughts are on that, but maybe somebody could get 1 month at a time or something for $200 to try it and renew it. Or
Yeah, that's something we can.
Betty, are you able to give a demonstration now?
For this.
You for your software, the way you how you show the layering, maybe give them the ABCs of
Yeah, this is what we developed in the web-based version of the tool. And Office version. We stopped working on the UI part and other features, but pretty much it does these type of things like material section phases. These are the things that they define. And then we have a strata for soil, like the layers, and then pile, load, analysis, result. This is the displaying part. This is one of the things that I want to include in that web-based tool. This is for
Okay.
soil, specifically certain types of foundations. But I have 3 or 4 more applications, slope stability analysis and others included in
Just
that web-based tool. But
just a quick question, basically,
yeah,
Mehdi. Do you want us to integrate basically these softwares which are made already by you, or you want us to make them from scratch? Basically, is
correct.
that what
Yeah, we have we worked on the web-based version of this as well, and we developed this to a certain point, but we gave up. We're working on this Office version, but what I like to do is put all the effort on the web-based tool and going
Okay.
back and work on the web-based tool. So
Okay.
I can show you one of the web-based app version of this, not highly advanced, but it
Okay.
was
Okay. Not a
like
problem.
yeah. But this is the one that we got when the for the Office version. So
Gotcha.
yeah, as you can see, the UI part doesn't look good, but it gives you an idea on how things is working here.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah, so we have a bunch of like material, this and that, and then it has a like a hierarchy or a workflow here, as you can see. I don't want to use technical terms, but basically we define different types of material section, this and that, that you can see there are different section types,
Yeah, yeah.
type of material with different model behavior, and eventually user can use them for the modeling and design. Modeling, when it comes to pile, like something like this, the modeling is done through a workflow or a kind of like a predefined, like let's say, modeling approach. Eventually, they should be able to plot this here. We can plot the model here for them based on the input that they provide, but eventually they should be able to like draw the model here as well. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, I got you.
this version does not have any modeling capability. We just they input the data from the material section definition and then a strata pile when they provide these 1, 2, 3 piece of information here, then they can demonstrate the model. They can see the model. So this is for
Yeah,
solid
basically, yeah.
layering, right? So and as you can see here, they can provide different like soil data and material that they define in the previous step is used here to define different layers, right? Different
Gotcha.
property, different like colors, and
And
then
a quick
yeah,
question, Mehdi. Is there some kind of software which is already made like this previously, or
there
is
are
this for
3
some? Yeah.
different tools that or one is a geotechnical based tool, which is Plaxis, very advanced. Plaxis, Midas, Slack to some extent. All these advanced geotechnical tools are built to develop to model something like that. Soil layers. This is what they were developed for. Another tool is developed for
And they're
structural
and,
modeling.
and they're all made web based, or they're basically
No, they
softwares.
none of them are web-based.
Oh,
There
okay,
is
that's okay.
so this is the soil part. On the structure part, there is a software called eTabs and SAP. And and then there is a company recently developed a web-based tool for structural modeling and analysis. And the you can see some of these capabilities in that software for a structural part. There is another software that called the Revit, and this
Oh,
is one of the most advanced one for modeling. Okay, so when I developed some of these features, I tried
Right.
to
So poisons,
like
we are all aware that
utilize some
poisons
of
can
the
exist and there's various forms
capabilities
of poisons. When
of
you go to
these
the
tools.
English to Latin sections of every one of these
And
dictionaries, what I find even
Martin,
more ironic
is it
is that if you
who's
just look up the English
I
word
think Martin.
venom,
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So these capabilities are kind of integrated into this tool. So a combination of different and some other and this is on the capability of or the modeling like methodology, but on the workflow, I came up with a workflow that is pretty simple to follow for the so file again we do the same this time sections length the same like approach to create file. This is you can see just for demonstration only, and then eventually we have load. They can apply load. So this is kind of modeling a step here.
I got you. It's simple, basically a step-by-step process that they have to like do first of all, and then once
Yeah.
everything is done, they'll basically
On
load up.
the analysis part, we didn't put the engine in there, and we don't demonstrate these two like analyze and results is where you get the results. We have not converted we converted the thing to the analysis, but the results is not done here. So we gave up on the office version. We gave up like working on this and decided to focus on the web-based tool.
Gotcha.
We have a simpler version of this in web-based tool in like and I can show you that one as well, but this is pretty much what we have at this point, like load insertion point and this and that.
I gotcha. And most likely, so it's mainly UI stuff and 50% of the development which you guys have already done, correct? Or is it
Yeah.
lesser than that?
Yeah. I also have a web-based tool. This is one of the features that I like to include in that web-based tool. There are some other applications, not for like a file, but also for slope stability, this and that. Also, I like to integrate those as well. I defined like I think 4 or 5 different applications for that web-based tool. One of them is Pile, but the others are also similar. And as you can see, there is no drawing capability, right?
Correct.
They just
It's just
follow an
display right now.
instruction, right?
Yeah.
Different the steps, and then it does the modeling part. Eventually, after the first release of the first version, I like to include the modeling capability as well. Make it more,
sorry guys, I have a hard stop at 3:50.
Okay.
No worries, no worries. It's fine.
Okay.
Have a good one.
You got the idea, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I can send you something and you can give us.
Basically, I will have to go through it again and again. It's something of a learning curve as well for everybody. It's something new for everybody. So not a problem. It's something we will be able to do it as well, and really faster grabs as well. Most of the stuff. So yeah, not a problem. Do you already have something like prepared, or are you gonna be sending me something later on?
Yeah, I have to prepare something actually because it's a
Okay.
little bit hectic this past few months, but I have to prepare. I'm putting something together and then I can share that with you as well.
Sure, not a problem, buddy.
All right.
Sure.
Okay.
So Sam,
Yeah.
I would think we should have another meeting, and you should bring somebody and make sure that you have a camera. If you
Sure, buddy.
but bring somebody else who can be your lead that can identify with admin. So
Sure.
get some rapport, because it's probably a series of podcasts we could do on this.
Sure, sure.
Um,
That's fine with me. I can surely do that. Just to first of all, once Mehdi sends me everything, what we need to know about the project, then I'll provide you the proper person to analyze and speak about it, and he will give you more insights and give you what we are able to do for you and what not. Again, and then we will have a proper like a proposal made up, and then we will go from over there.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Great.
All right.
All right. Thank you, guys. And
Thank you.
Thank you, Mehdi. Thank you,
yeah.
Amin.
Thank
All right.
you. Have a good one.
Talk to
Thanks,
you soon.
Martin.
Take care.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
one.
Bye.
Bye bye.
nice to meet you, man.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, Martin. Have a good one.
Baby, I need to know